Hello everyone and welcome to the barbecue walk of flame. In this video there's no barbecue, there's no cooking, but what I am making is absolutely delightful, delish and lovely. Stick around and see how it's made. The main ingredient in this cheesecake you've probably never heard of, and you're unlikely to see it on the shelf of your local supermarket, but you can get it online direct from the producers, and there's a link in the description below. Jersey Black Butter. Now if you're thinking dairy, you are way off the mark. This is a conserve. It's made with apples, cider, lemons, sugar, licorice, mixed spice and cinnamon. You can get it direct from the producers, La Mer Wine Estate on that beautiful British island of Jersey, which lies just off the coast of France in the English Channel. Whenever I serve this cheesecake, people always ask me for the recipe, and that's why I've decided to put it on YouTube. In the kitchen today, I'm using a whole load of gadgets, and to be honest, one would probably do the job. To start, I'm lining a 20cm springform cake tin with greaseproof paper. In the food processor, I have 200 grams of digestive biscuits, which I've roughly broken. Now, pulse a few times to reduce to crumbs. With the machine running, drizzle in about 65 grams of melted unsalted butter. Tip the whole lot into the cake tin and smooth out to the edges. Don't press down too much, because when it's been in the fridge overnight, if it's too compressed, you may need a hammer and chisel to cut it, and that's not what we want. So I'll pop it into the fridge. Now to the stick blender, fitted with a balloon whisk. I'm adding to a bowl 500 ml of double cream, which I'm going to whip into soft peaks. Yes, I could have done this in the food processor. However, the last time I whipped cream with that machine, it was so quick I almost ended up with butter. So I'm just giving myself more time and control to achieve soft peaks. Now those are very soft peaks, but I'm not going to whisk any more. I'll just pop the cream into the fridge and crack on. Now I'm placing 4 gelatine leaves into cold water to soak. I have a couple of vanilla pods, which I'm choosing a nice fat one. With a sharp knife, I'm making a slit down the centre, and then scraping out the seeds. You may be tempted to use vanilla essence, but believe me, nothing beats the real thing. The flavour is much more intense. So it's now onto the hand mixer on a stand. Into the bowl goes 300 grams of cream cheese, the vanilla seeds, and a whole jar of Jersey Black Butter. Gently whisk it all together to make a smooth base for the cheesecake. The mixer is on a low setting with the bowl revolving as well. Extract the juice from half a lemon. I only want the juice, and this lemon has more pips than Gladys Knight. I'll get back and finish what I started. To a small pan, add 3 tablespoons of water and the lemon juice. Now just heat and bring it to a simmer. Drain and squeeze the water from the gelatin. Give it a good squeeze and get as much water out as possible. With the pan off the heat, whisk in the gelatin, making sure it's all dissolved. With the mixer running, now add the gelatin to the black butter and cheese mixture. And finally, add the whipped cream from the fridge. Mix together with a folding action, adding more cream as you go. Keep folding until it's all mixed and is an even colour. I'm satisfied with that, so I'll get the biscuit base from the fridge. Add the mixture to the base and smooth over with a palette knife. I'm trying to get it as smooth as I can. I think that's the best I can do. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Well, it's been in the fridge all night and it's now time to decorate. I'm keeping it quite simple with a grating of dark chocolate. And for the finishing touch, I'm going to use these delicious chocolate balls. Placing them carefully and trying to get them evenly spaced. And that is it. Jersey Black Butter Cheesecake. If, like me, you're a bit of a foodie, then sub my channel. All you have to do is click that button. I've got some cracking recipes coming up, so activate and ding the bell and you'll be among the first to know when a new video is posted. Now, here's the recipe recap. If this video has been made to your liking, then give us a big thumbs up. Anything you'd like to say it in the comments box below. And now folks, it's tasting time. And this is my favourite bit. When it comes to taste and flavour, this cheesecake has it all. Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame. So from me, the dude with the food, the old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.